Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to fix Snapchat memories not working. So, if some of your memories appear empty or gray, then you may need to update Snapchat and free storage space on your device. To update Snapchat and free up storage, first is update Snapchat to the latest version from the App Store or the Play Store. So I'm using Android, so let's go to the Play Store and then we're gonna go to Snapchat. Then if it says update, then you need to update. But if it says open, it means that your app is already updated. So it means that I need some updating. So I'm gonna update the app and just wait for it. If it still doesn't work, you can go to settings and go to apps and go to manage apps, and if you're gonna search Snapchat, you're gonna need to clear the data and clear the cache. Clearing your cache won't delete any of your memories, snaps, or chat, but it's just refresh the app. So if that doesn't still work, you need to turn off the device completely for 1 minute and turn it back on. Then, if you still don't see all your memories, try repeating all the steps. You can also check that your memories are completely backed up before you log out of Snapchat. Log into Snapchat into a different device or uninstall Snapchat. So, I hope that you've learned something. And if you have some comments or questions, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!